Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I felt like getting into my Glamlite Ice Cream Scream palette. Since you can still get this, I am excited to do this because I've been seeing a lot of Glamlite lately online on Instagram, and it made me just want to dig into one of my palettes. So that's the Color Story Upside Down. And I was debating on the Michaela Glamlite, which I love as well. But I'm gonna do some ice cream scream. Oh, my nose itches. It happens. Alright, so I'm gonna dig into like one of these brushes, Luxie brushes. I did my eye primer. I want to dig into a light shade, so I'm going to go in with Pumpkin. That shade right there. The orangey shade. So here we go. So I'm going to go in the inner portion of the crease. I really do love the Glamlite formula. I just don't dig into these ones very much. It is powdery in the pan. I might go to the pumpkin patch next weekend, so I'm excited. I love fall time. I love hay rides. And yeah, just love the fall vibes. And hay rides and pumpkins and all that fun stuff. Cooler weather, especially when you live in Arizona. You get excited for the cool weather. So I'm just gonna go in the inner portion, almost like a butterfly. Gets lighter in the inner and then darker in the outer portion. Love that shade. So how's everybody's week going so far? I know it's only Tuesday. My week has been okay, I guess. I'm gonna go in with Butter Ocean right here, or Butter Pecan. Right here, I love Butter Pecan ice cream. It is like really good flavor. It's almost like the same color. So yeah, this retails for $45 plus tax, and I forgot if there was shipping over 60 because some of the sites are like, you don't get free shipping, or at least when you have to spend like 60 on over, and I'm like, ugh. I like when it's like 35 and over because it's easy to spend 35, but for me, I want to, staying at 35, not 60, not 100. Never spend 100 on anything. That's what it's looking like. I want to go in with this black cherry. Still doing my crease area. And then I'm gonna like go all over. That crease area. Okay, now going in with chocolate. I always love chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate chip. I love the peanut butter, like liquid poured onto my chocolate ice cream. It's the best. Butter pecan, I like, and I never heard of like a pumpkin ice cream. That would be interesting. I tried the banana split ice cream. I seen it at Fry's. I wanted to try something new and I didn't care for it. And some ice creams I can taste and I can't taste some ice cream anymore. Like anything minty anymore, I can't taste right. And it's sad because I love mint ice cream and mint. Anything mint I love, but I can't taste it right. So it kind of puts a damper on things when you want to eat something. And you really can't because it just tastes gross. Like I try my best to drink Pepsi, but I can't Coke, I can't anything dark soda-y. I just can't. Okay, that's what it's looking like. I know that pink mixed in because I had it on my brush, but it's cute still. I like it. Okay. Going in with Rocky Road, it was hard to choose. I don't really care for marshmallow in my ice cream. So Rocky Road is okay, but not the best. And go with my finger. I think these shadows are best on your fingers. And I did use glitter primer. It's like almost like a goldish color inside. There's like a few like brownish goldish colors of shimmer in this palette. Going in with peanut butter, the shade right here. I really like this palette a lot. I do like all of their palettes that I have. I'm thinking about the street taco. It's only $22, not that bad. Should have just bought that instead of the Anastasia, to be really honest with you. But it was stapled in my head to get the Anastasia. I was like, I kept thinking about it like a weirdo. And I just couldn't get it out of my head. I'm going in with chocolate, a little bit darker. So, and now I'm like street taco because I've been eating a lot of street tacos lately. But yeah, I'm still like in that palette mood just to buy like palettes. And now that it's my birthday, it's like, ooh, what do I want to get now? Not how you should think. Like, saving is much better, but I'll probably save the rest. Probably get that street taco and then just save the rest of my birthday money. I don't know. As soon I think next year I'm planning on to get my new tires put on my car. I hate waiting so long. So that's what it's looking like. Going in with Velvet Red. I like pinky orange tone. Right next to the colors I just put on. Gonna go in with lemon right here. I was thinking French vanilla, but maybe lemon, and see how that goes. If not, I'll just layer it with that color. So here goes lemon, a yellow shimmer. So I try to change my number to my new numbers in my apps and everything. Of course, the bank wants to make sure. Now I can't do Zelle for a while. Which I love Zelle. But that's okay. It's like really yellow. I might mix it with French vanilla, this pearly, snowy white shade. Maybe just on the bottom. I don't see any difference, so. Okay, I'm gonna pop on this hourglass just to get more usage out of this shade. Just to have this shade pop a little bit more. Looking good. I wanted to do more fallish, but what do you think? Is it still fall? I tried to stay like in the colors that look like fall in this palette. But it's like a bright, like pinky tone. See, I was sticking through these tones in here with that lemon. I tried that peanut butter. But yeah, this palette is cute. I'll be right back to apply mascara and eyeliner. And this is the finished look. What do you think? I really like it. It's very cute. Highly recommend this palette. Even though it is powdery in the matte shades without any like shimmer in it. And then the shimmer is best to use with your finger unless you have like an angle brush to go underneath your eye. Other than that, this I really love. I love the color story. You can there's pastels, there's bolder colors up here. I just try to stick with the bolder colors down here because it's fall, ready for that bold moment. And I really do like the color story that I used today. I highly recommend any of the glamlite palettes. I can't wait to get the street taco now because I've been seeing a lot of their new margarita and drinks. Their new launch. So it made me want to buy a street taco because I'm not a drinker, so I'm an eater. I do love my treats, and I'm glad I got most of the treats. So the ice cream was a must-have, and the cake, the Michaela had a great color story in that palette. So yeah, I just look at the color story and I'm like, ooh. And I'm like, dessert, can't pass that up. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. I have hair everywhere. So, bye for now.